Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing my makeup and I felt like doing something quite glam, but I want to keep it on the more kind of soft side, so like again a soft glam makeup look that I want to go for today. I'll also be doing my hair in the video as well, so it's kind of like an all-rounder hair and makeup glam transformation. So before we get started, I want to give a huge shout out to Scentstore who are kindly sponsoring this video today. So Scentstore is a online UK fragrance company who sent me over one of their brand new perfumes, which is from Paco Rabanne. So it's this one right here. Like, how stunning is this packaging? So this is the Paco Rabanne Lady Million Empire, and I love this bottle design. Like, it's so cool. It's a little kind of spin on the original 1 million. This one is in a hot pink shade, which I think is really pretty. It's a really nice sophisticated scent, but it has like a little kick to it. It has the Paco Rabanne Million signature notes in it, like orange blossom and patchouli. It has more floral scents in it from Magnolia and Osmanthus, and there's also notes of plum and cognac inside as well. Yeah, like, it's such a lovely scent. I'm going to spray some just now to get us in the mood for this glam transformation. So you basically just push this centre part down here. It's like, that's like the big kind of spray button thing for it, and I'm just going to spray it all over. So they sell this in 30, 50 and 80 mls on Scentstore's website, and they also have it in little gift sets as well, which would be great for like this Christmas time. So yeah, I will leave a link to this perfume and also a link to Scentstore's website, so check them out because they have amazing scents on there. They have a lot of new in fragrances, and that one from Paco Rabanne is just new as well, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I am loving it so far. I've been using it for the past couple of weeks. You may have seen me showing it on my Insta stories a few weeks ago there. Yeah, I've been using it non-stop since I got it and I am loving it. So now that I'm smelling absolutely gorgeous, I'm ready to get on with my makeup. So what I'm going to start off with is my eyes, and I'm going to use this new palette from ABH in Carly Bible. Like, how stunning. And that's the shades inside there. So as I said, I'm going to go for a more kind of soft glam makeup look today, so I'm not going to delve too much into the cool tone shades in there. I do have a tutorial coming up where I've used more of the cool tones in the palette, but for today I'm going to stick with the more kind of lighter shimmers in the palette, I think. Now I'm going to prime my eyes with the MAC Painterly Paint Pot. Okay, so I'm going to start off with this light brown shade here, which is called Chai, and I'm going to apply that into my crease. Okay, I'm now going to take the shade Boy, which is more of a dark chocolatey brown shade, and I'm just going to apply this to the outer corner of my eye. So just start building it up right here and kind of wing it out slightly. I am going to be doing like wing liner, but this will just help to make it even more kind of dramatic at the outer corner. I'm now going to take the shade Bolly, and I'm going to apply that all over my lid portion, like right here, but I'm going to actually take it a little bit higher than my lid, so that it makes like, it creates the illusion that I have like a slightly bigger lid, because like I don't have a really big lid space. Just come back in a little bit more of Boy to deepen up the outer corner. And then I think what I'm going to do is take a little bit of a darker brownie shade for going right into the crease again, because I feel like Chai is a little bit too light for what I'm actually wanting to go for. So I'm going to take a little bit of the bronzer that I'm going to use today, which is almost finished. This is the NARS Laguna bronzer. I'm going to pick a little bit of this up and just take that right through the crease here, because I want to tone down the Chai shade. Okay, to make the lid just a little bit more sparkly, I'm taking the LA Splash eyeliner in the shade Rosaline. So what I'm doing with this, as you can maybe see here, I've started to apply it to my lid. I'm literally just tapping little bits of it all over like the lid space just to add the extra sparkle. Yeah, like I'm not like doing full strokes or anything like that. I'm just really tapping it to get little glittery bits from the liner onto my lid. Hopefully you can see it on camera there, but in person you can really see it sparkling, which is nice. So you could use any glitter liner that you have for this. That is so much prettier. It just adds, you know, the extra sparkle there. Now what I'm going to do is just apply some winged liner. So I'm going to use this eyeliner, which is from Tarte. It's the Tartiest eyeliner. It's one of my favourites right now. I've had a few questions on my favourite eyeliners lately, and this is one of them, and also the Kat Von D tattoo eyeliner. So I'm going to move on to my face, and I've already moisturised and primed my face with the Caudalie Source Correcting Serum, and then the Juicy Beauty Stem Cell Anti-Wrinkle Moisturiser. I've been loving these two together, they're amazing. And then I did spritz my face right before I started the video with the Espa Hydrating Floral Spa Fresh Spritzer. So I'm going to spray a little bit more of this because I love it so much, and I love how it makes my skin feel before I apply my foundation. So I'm just going to spray a little bit more of this. So hydrating and so refreshing on the skin. Like, I love this so much. For foundation today I'm going to use this one from L'Oreal. It's the True Match, and I do have it in the shade 6.5. It is quite a dark shade, but I do have some tan on today. This is a really good coverage foundation. It's medium to full coverage. It looks great on the skin all day. It's just a foundation that I go to all the time, especially for like evening glam looks and things like that. This is my go-to. It's also super like lightweight and everything on the skin as well, which is a bonus. Okay, then for concealer I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting. This one's in the shade Vanilla. I have like glittery bits all over my face right now, so just excuse that. Okay, then to set my concealer in place, I'm going to use my smashed up Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I'm going to take a mix of the banana shade right here and then the lighter shade right there. Okay, now I'm going to take the Huda Beauty Tan Tour in the shade Light, and I'm going to cream contour with this. Okay, then I'm going to take a little bit of my powder bronzer from NARS. This is the Laguna, which is almost finished, and I'm going to just set that contour in place. And this is like my favourite bronzer ever. Like, this will be the third one of these I've had in the past 2 years, I think it is. Just shows you how much I love it. I'll need to order one pretty soon because I can hardly get anything out of it. I'm literally trying to scrape around the edges here. But yeah, if I was to recommend any bronzer to you, like, this would be it. Like, it is just amazing. I love it so much. Okay, then for brows I'm going to use my Revolution Pro Brow Powder Duo, and this one is in the shade Dark Brown. Okay, so I set my brows with the Benefit 24-hour brow setter, which is that there. And now I'm going to actually apply some waterproof liner into my waterline there from Rimmel. It's the Scandalise one. That's just, I ran that in my waterline there. So now I'm going to apply mascara, and I'm going to use the Too Faced Better Than Sex one. This is like a little mini one, which I thought I would be out of by now because I've been using it for a long time, but it's actually still going strong. So yeah, I'm going to use this today. I love this for like really glam looks, just makes your eyelashes look amazing. Okay, so to highlight the inner corner of my eyes, I'm going to take the Illamasqua Beyond Powder in the shade OMG. I'm also going to take a little bit of that on my brow bone as well, just right here. On my nose, down the bridge of my nose. I'm going to outline my lips with the Illamasqua lip liner in the shade Raw. And then for lips, I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Hot Lips 2 in the shade Angel Alessandra. It's a nice kind of peachy, pinky shade, which is absolutely gorgeous on. Has a nice kind of creamy finish to it as well. Okay, and then to finish off the makeup look, I'm going to lock it in with the Anastasia Dewy Set Setting Spray. Okay guys, so this is the completed makeup look, and I absolutely love how this has turned out. Like, I think it's absolutely gorgeous. The eyes are quite soft looking, but also like really glam at the same time. I love the sparkliness there from that liner that I applied on top. Yeah, like I am absolutely obsessed with my eyes today. I think they are gorgeous. Yeah, so now what I'm going to do is move on to my hair. I'm going to use these from Remington. These are their twist and curl. I will leave them linked below for you. But yeah, so I'm going to use these today and kind of curl my hair, and I think I'll just do kind of quite big sections. I'm not going to be like too precise with my curls because I don't really like super tight curls, and if I do that I'll be here for like ever doing my hair. So I'm just going to quickly speed through the rest of the hair, or I might just come back when I've done it, but I just wanted to show you guys what I'm using. But yeah, okay guys, so this is the completed makeup look. I love how this has turned out. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I've basically curled my hair using that Remington twist and curl straightener thing, and then I sort of like kind of combed it out a little bit just to kind of tame it so it wasn't so like big. And to complete this whole glam transformation, I'm going to spray some more of the Paco Rabanne Lady Million Empire perfume again. So I'm just going to spritz this all over because I love how this smells. Spray a little bit in my hair as well. Oh, I just love it. I think it's gorgeous. It's like nice and fruity but also florally at the same time. I highly recommend picking it up guys because it's absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, Scentstore do it in many different sizes, do it in a 30, a 50 and an 80, and they also do it in little gift sets as well. Check their website out because they have loads of different perfume on there. They also have ones for men as well. So yeah, I want to say a huge thank you to Scentstore for sponsoring this video. Like, I'm loving this perfume. I think it's gorgeous. I'm sure you guys will love it as well. And yeah guys, that is it for this video. I really hope you liked and enjoyed this Glam makeup transformation. I would love to know what you think about it down below in the comment section. And yeah, if you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below if you're brand new to my channel, and I will speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye!